Today, we are going to talk about the top 8 questions you must ask yourself before determining if a Reiki session is for you. Plus, a bonus question for sticking around until the end of the video. Let's get to it. Satnam, lovely soul. I'm Cassandra, but you can call me Cass, your official go-to Reiki master teacher at universalhealings.center. 1. What do I hope to gain from a Reiki session? Reiki has been known for producing numerous mental, emotional, and physical benefits to the body, as well as spiritual benefits like reducing stress, harmonizing your body's natural healing processes, increasing feelings of relaxation, improving your sleep patterns, elevating moods, increasing mental clarity, improving your immunity functions, creating deep peace from within, getting unstuck, helping with recovery from surgeries or addictions. Okay, among many other benefits, this list can seriously go on. Be specific of what your goals and intentions are while going into a Reiki session. Possibly you want release from stress. Maybe you want to feel more calm. Maybe you want to help a illness that's going on in your body. Maybe you need to improve your immune function. Maybe you want to manifest and bring something into your energy field. No matter what your goals are, bring that intention in to your Reiki session and set forth what you really want out of this session and communicate that with your practitioner. Number 2, am I willing to devote my time to my personal self-care before and after a Reiki session? Reiki encourages relaxation and self-care before and after a session. This means by taking time out for yourself, one, preparing for that session, driving to that session, having that session, and also what happens after the little self-care bits, because it's really important to have that self-reflection time after your session to allow all of the energies that just shifted within you cultivate into a new pattern for your success. Do you have time for that bubble bath after that Reiki session when you go home? Can you do anything to help restore balance back into your life after that Reiki session so you can just chill? Number 3, how does my belief system match while working with an energy worker? Be honest about what beliefs or systems make you feel uncomfortable, so that your comfort levels are being received while working with somebody else. This will also help ensure that trust is available and present on both parties. It is 100% okay to interview your Reiki practitioner, which leads me to my next self-question. Number 4, do I understand what Reiki is? Reiki is an alternative healing that helps on the mental, emotional, and physical levels in the body, which is done through channeling energy and sending it through the practitioner's hands into the recipient. It focuses on restoring the body's natural healing elements between the mental, emotional, and physical aspect of the body. And various styles of Reiki are out there. Number 5, have I done my research on Reiki? It's important to understand the principles and the practices of this energy healing before investing in your session. Read up on Reiki's history, the styles, the methods out there, and speak to different practitioners interviewing them and others who have experienced Reiki. Number 6, what type of atmosphere makes me feel most secure while being vulnerable? For example, do I need ambient music to make me feel more relaxed? Do I like dimmed lighting? Just note that anything that you enjoy for your environment for relaxing, let the Reiki practitioner know what you need or what you don't need, and they will accommodate. Number 7, are you ready for this? Am I open and willing to accept change? This might seem like an odd question, but it's extremely essential. Being able to be prepared to make changes is part of a successful Reiki session. Openness can provide many opportunities for growth, which, when closed off, would be more receptive to less change. Number 8. Do I feel comfortable with the practitioner? Intimacy can play a huge role within a Reiki session on a professional level. So make sure that you feel 100% comfortable with the person that you're working with. This way, you can ensure that you are having positive progress. Remembering that vulnerability does not mean giving away your complete control while working with an energy worker. You are always in control of what's happening, your mind, your thoughts, and the person there is just to shift and move your energy to help you balance for success. Ooh, and here's my favorite question of all time, the bonus that you have been waiting for. Number 9. Woo! Do I trust my intuition enough to let go fully? During your Reiki session, you are going to feel changes on the emotional level, like where there may be some really intense moments of sadness, or where joy washes all over you. But during these moments, it's really important to not let anything dictate what is to come next and how fast these shifts can happen. Be open and trusting on whatever is arising within you. And don't try too hard because things will naturally fall into place. Given with space and intention, only the individual like you can surrender fully into your own intuition, allowing all new sorts of self-awareness and new realms align you for personal growth. By answering all these questions honestly before getting yourself into a Reiki session will not only give you clarity on whether or not Reiki is for you, but also to maximize the therapeutic benefits that is about to come. So say yes and be ready for change. If you found this information helpful, be sure to love tap that subscribe button and flick that little chime to receive Reiki goodness each time we upload a video. And remember, you being here right now helps transform your life for positive change, unlocking your body's natural energy. So until next time,